So I'm going to build a 4x8 step garden for you now. If you want to build this garden on a hard surface, just cut this part of the stake off to produce this stake. I'm going to use this cutoff stake for our example. And when I go up higher with my bed, I'm going to just slide that stake into the bottom stake and just keep on going higher. So let's get going and build this garden. You see how that concave convex timber just nests nicely together, so you have no gaps. Now I'm going to finish it off by just putting some caps on. And that's it. That's all it takes. No tools required. Maybe a hammer to hammer the stake in if you're hammering to the ground. And that's it, folks. It's that easy.